Hello. Rina.
I'm coming.
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Wow, your dress, your blouse looks very, very pretty.
And
Yellow with
but this not a dress.
blouse. It's a blouse. It's very pretty. Where did you
Mm,
go?
I was eating curry.
You're eating dinner?
Uh-huh. But mom said we need to go to class and I come.
How are you today? How's your weekend?
It was good.
What did you do?
And I want to show this one.
Which one?
I made it yesterday.
What is that?
It's that Rob.
Yesterday was Mother's Day.
Yeah. And I just touched it.
Oh,
It's
There's
very,
a there's a sound.
yeah.
Okay. What?
It's that a Kit Kat. But do you have a Kit Kat too?
I don't
I had
have.
I had a real Kit Kat too. It's a Kit Kat like this. The sound is coming out like this. And I made a Kit Kat myself too like this. I show you.
But only one sound. You only have one sound.
Yeah, and like this too. Look, like this. It's a Kit Kat to this one.
Yeah, that's true. What?
And do you want to know what is Kit Kat?
Yes. What is it?
It's a keyboard, and you touch its sound, and inside has a Kit Kat. I don't know what is a Kit Kat. You can search.
Mm-hmm.
It's really good. The sound is really good. Here,
That's true. Yes. It's like a snapping.
snap, 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 snap. I like it. Mm.
Keycaps are removable. Keycaps are removable cover keyboards.
Mm. It's a toy. My friends had it, and I had just one. But my friend's one just don't fly like this.
Oh,
It sounds like really, and the light is coming out like this. And while light is coming out, the sound is very good. But I had just this.
so it has four sounds.
Yeah,
Oh, it has four sounds.
yeah, like this. But I give it to brother to share with my brother just touch like this.
You gave one to your brother?
No, it was in this box, but I just decorated. I just covered it with a black pen, but I had a tape here and I just opened it and it disappeared.
Or you like decorating things?
Because inside I made a squishy, made up this, but it turned into like this. It's really soft.
Do you like squishy?
Yeah.
Squishy are good for, relaxation. Because all you have to do is squeeze and squeeze.
Yeah. It's not getting in. And, and I just put it out. Now and I
Oh,
just really of the squishy.
how's your weekend? What did you do?
I just stay in home.
What did you do at home?
I just play game with Daddy and I play with my sister and I play with my brother. I made a tent like this. I show you like that. A pillow and a one more pillow top and a pillow and I made a tent. And my brother and I had a blanket inside and decorate the tent with a more blanket. And my brother can sit down here and sleep. But he don't
Ah,
sleep on
so there's a lot of pillows and you made like a tent out of the pillows?
yeah.
Okay, that's good. I am glad that you're playing with your brother and your sister. So you don't have any taekwondo today? It's a
I do
Monday.
it. I do it, but I just changed my clothes.
Ah, okay. So you finish early with your taekwondo class.
Yeah. And I just look at the window because my friends gonna play.
Oh, they're in the playground. You can see
Yeah.
them.
Joey and Sua.
You can see them below.
Yeah, I cannot go because mommy said no, but Sua and Joey is playing outside. But I think they're they're gone because she they're not here. I think they got to home.
Ah, they went home already. Yeah. Okay.
Wait, I think that's just Joey. No, I cannot see Sua's pink something, and I think Joy and Sua is not here.
Okay. Do they live in the same apartment?
Hmm?
Do they live in the same apartment as you?
No, Joy live here, and Sua live on 풍경채.
Is it far away?
Hmm? My taekwondo is in 풍경채, and we can go easily.
Oh, okay. That's good. Okay. So what else? Do you have other stories?
No, we have no book to read.
Okay, wait a minute. Oh, what do we have here? So we are now in going to discuss, okay, free time. Okay, adverbs of frequency. So how often do you do the
Huh?
following things? So adverbs of frequency. Okay, so when you say adverbs of frequency, it's how often an action occurs. Okay, so Always is 100%, while zero is never.
Nah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let us see now. Hmm. Wait a minute. Okay, so what do we have? So how many days are there in one week? There are 7 days, right? So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So when you say always, it's every day. Okay?
Everything.
Okay. Usually it's like 80% or it's 6 days, often 5 days. Sometimes 3 days, seldom 1 day, never 0 days.
Hmm?
Okay? Okay. Always, usually, often, sometimes, seldom, and never. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So that is adverbs of frequency and they appear before the main verb. Okay, for example, okay, can can you read the two
He
sentences?
never exercise. He always stay at home.
Okay, he never exercises. He always stays at home.
Home.
Okay, so when you say never, zero, okay, percent, never. Always is 100%. Okay?
Okay.
So look at again. Okay, remember the following adverbs of frequency: always, usually, often, sometimes, seldom, never. Okay, any questions?
What do you want to eat for dinner or snack?
Oh, I just threw it away. I had jelly drink. Then
Hmm? What is a
three,
jelly drink?
do you know mugu mugu?
What is a mogu? Oh, the mogu. Like, okay,
Like this, like this one.
can you go to the, like, like,
Like
mogu,
oh, mugu mugu. I had this one, lychee.
which,
I had lychee. Okay, then what else? Okay, three cheese. Wait a minute. Three cheese and wait a minute. Okay, and I had this one. Three cheese. Oh, mogo mogo coffee and
yummy.
yeah.
And what
S-
is this?
This is three kinds of cheese. Oh, that's grapes. Those are grapes.
And what is this red one?
Oh, those are cherries.
Oh, uh, what is this?
Okay, toasted bread, and three kinds of cheese inside.
Mm.
Okay, so I had that. Plus, of course, I still have my coffee here below.
And I was eating curry.
You were eating curry?
Yeah. And I
Okay.
draw his face. He's
Who's
well. Can you
Who?
write very here?
Who?
He's very.
Wary?
Yeah, very.
Wary, like this one, wary
Yeah,
or wearing? Wary?
very. And the smiley face is very. But I just face it and I draw his face. This is very. Say hi to very. This is
Mm-hmm.
Mogu Mogu. Because you had Mogu Mogu.
Yeah, I had mogo mogo.
And this is Mogu. This friend's name is not Mogu Mogu, and this is Mogu. Say hello to Mogu.
Hello, Momo. How are
I'm,
you?
I'm great. Hands and feet. And this is Mogu. I draw him a hat. Done.
Oh, the color is pink.
Yeah, Larry and Mogu.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Oh, that's very, very cool. Okay, that's good. Oh, anyway, so do you have other stories before we go back to our book?
Why is here is red?
Mine?
No, me.
Oh, did somebody he during your taekwondo class? Did somebody? Yeah, there's a red spot near your eyes. What happened to that?
Mm, What is this? Why is this
Yeah,
red?
yeah. Why is that? Was did you hit it during your taekwondo class?
No, I think I rub it like that.
Oh, okay. Oh, don't scratch it too much, or your eyes will be irritated.
Why did you irritate it?
It's like a you're how can I say it? Um, how can I say it? Hmm. So you're not comfortable feeling that, okay? Because it might affect your eyes. Your eyes will be itchy. Or then after our class, you tell your mom, "Mom, my eyes. Look at my near my eyes. Is it itchy?
What is
Is
that? Not itchy, but it's red.
Yeah, you tell your mom, Mom, look at there's something red near my eyes.
Here?
Yes, I can see it. Okay, let's go back now. Wait a minute. Okay, wait a minute. So, okay, never is zero, always is 100%. Okay, this time, this is going to be your guide. Okay, so
What is a
if there are seven checks, you are going to use always. Okay,
mm,
so example. Oh, how many checks do you have? Frank?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Oh,
12,
no,
13.
no, no, no. For always you have 7 checks because it's every day. 7. For usually you have
More.
6.
Yeah. 7, 5, 1, 0.
Okay, 0. Okay, so first sentence, what do you think? What adverb of frequency are you going to use? Or look at the number of checks.
7, 6, 5, 3, 1, 0.
No, 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 this one. How many checks are there?
Okay. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, so what are you going to use here if there are 7 checks?
That is always.
Okay, you may write always.
Uh, and the sticks and you six checks is a little bit
What adverb of frequency are you going to use if there are only 6 checks?
um, dangerous.
Usually. Okay, you're
Always
going to use usually.
usually.
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to do the first sentence. Frank
Uh,
always
always
goes to coffee shop before work. Okay, always because there are
always
7 checks.
coffee shop before work.
Okay. Let's go to Mary.
Mary wash posties.
So there are 6 checks. So what are you going to use? What adverb of frequency are you going to use?
Sticks and this is often. No,
Us-
not often.
Usually.
Usually.
Or usually. What
Right?
what are, what are you doing with your blouse?
Because I need to do this.
Okay,
So,
please write usually.
okay, usually I need to do this buttons. Then it's gonna not be like that. And the button is hard. The button is hard.
Or later, you do that later. So what will be the answer for Mary since there are only 6 checks? What are you going to use? Usually, right? So please write usually.
Usually. Yes. Mm, usually.
Okay. Number 3.
Molly is what for school?
Okay. So Molly. So there are no checks. So what are you going to use? 0 checks. What adverb of frequency are you going to?
Never.
Very good. Please write never.
Eh,
Please write never.
okay. Never.
Okay. Let's go to Peter and Lucy. So how many checks can you see?
checks is three checks. Then sometimes Pear and Reese sometimes go to library.
So one is, oh, Peter and Lucy. So there's three checks sometimes. Good. Go to the library sometimes.
It's so wrong.
Okay, let's go to we. There's only one check.
We eat ice cream after dinner. Is that
Very
one then?
we. So there's only one. What are you going to use?
Some blue
No. There's only one. So what are you going to use? Seldom.
soda.
Okay, next
Soda.
one. Oh, there's no.
Seldom eat ice cream after dinner.
Okay, there's no check at all. So what are you going to use?
Never.
Okay, very good. Next,
I just write never. Never. We walk the dog up in the park. It's
so,
seven
so,
and
uh,
it's all
what are we going to use if there are seven checks?
always.
Okay, we always walk the dog in the park. Okay, oh, there's one more. There's one more.
Oh, there they have the mom in the kitchen.
What is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? There are five.
Then is no often
Okay, so
often help their mom in the kitchen.
they often help their mom in the kitchen. Very good. Oh, any questions?
Mm, gonna what you gonna do at weekend?
Oh, we don't know yet because weekend is still 4 days a week.
But Rita, you had a friend in your house.
Now, only family members.
I had a friend.
Who?
Is here my Unju.
Oh,
Maybe
how old
my
is your friend?
my Merbies. But it's very dirty. I need to wash it. And my big
Mm.
tree. But my sister's tree is really, really broke. It's really a problem with them. My sister's tree. I'll show you my sister's tree.
Oh, it's already time, Rina. Oh, it's almost time.
My sister's tree is being black.
She broke it?
No, it was she broke it the here and the
Oh, we continue
tree.
tomorrow, okay? You show me that tomorrow again. Okay, thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye.